Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the phone model and iOS version so you know true tone compatibility. Once done, install a genuine or OEM equivalent display. Third-party panels often lack the necessary sensor pairing. Make sure battery is above 50% to prevent shutdowns during calibration, and connect a Mac or PC with the appropriate service tool. Finally, enable developer diagnostics or prepare a calibration utility. This starts the process and gives you access to sensor pairing commands. Now you pair and calibrate. Connect and run the sensor pairing routine in the service tool, because True Tone requires the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor to be correctly associated. Next, measure ambient color temperature at multiple angles and perform a multi-point white balance so the display matches sensor readings. If automatic pairing fails, reflash or restore the display EEPROM to match original serial associations. This preserves the color profile and prevents drift. Make sure to log each step for rollback if needed. Finish by verifying True Tone in settings toggles on and that the screen changes subtly with ambient light. You should see warmer tones under low light. Next, run display test patterns, grayscale, saturation, and white point, and compare to a calibrated reference device to confirm accuracy. If colors still look off, redo the sensor pairing and restore the backed up EEPROM or original display serial data. If issues persist after those steps, consult an authorized Apple service technician for sensor replacement or deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.